Good day everyone. Today I will discuss how to send broadcasts via OTN message. So let's start. There are multiple cases in which you can use OTN or one-time notification. It allows creativity as long as it complies with general Facebook rules. Here are some examples wherein you can apply this option. You can check out our website for a full list if you are unsure of the nature of your intended message. Please also take note that this is not for types such as after purchase events, event update notifications, etc. Instead, you can use the message tags for those instead. We also have a tutorial video for that one, so you could just kindly check it out. Alright? Now to start, just go to your page's setting, located at the left side corner of your screen. Then choose Settings, and from here, locate Advanced Messaging from the middle part of the list. Then simply scroll down till you see the one-time notification option right here, and then click on the Request button. Right? A pop-up message will then appear and you have to confirm it. So it will look like this, and simply confirm. Right, so next, this is an example of how an OTN message looks like. The Notify Me button here is on default and you can't change it. There is also a default message that will look like this, and it's from Facebook, which you cannot change as well. What you can change, however, is the message title and what will happen after the user click on the Notify button. So to do so, here on automation, we can create the message or enter the name as usual and open the flow. Then add a conversation block like this and rename. Now include your promo message like this. So you could include the promo like a big day itself because it's your anniversary, something like that. Then you have to set the user input type to OTN request. This is the default notify message that I've been talking about. So right here, you will now edit your title. This is your chance to include something that will grab your customer's attention. So like this. And then on topic, set the promo date or any significant title you want. You can change it by changing the topic here. Just click on submit, of course, before using it. And now that we have our OTN message ready, click on save. And also don't forget to add the message that they will receive after they click on the notify button. So here you can include something saying that they are now eligible to receive the promo, or you can add instructions as well if you want, right? Now we will connect these two blocks here and test it on Messenger. And we will just have to wait for the message to arrive on our account. Right, so the message is here already. So here you will see the OTN message like this. It's also a good idea to keep it short and direct to the point so that way you can keep your customers' attention. So here is the notify button here. So let's try it. Right, and I will receive the message that we had set. So here now I am confirmed to receive the message that will be sent out through broadcast. Now to complete the flow, we have to add a broadcast, which we will do now. So from here, click on the new broadcast button right here. And I will rename it as the same topic we added earlier, which is the 10/13/2020, so you could easily identify it. And next, add the conversation block that will contain our message. So here, remember that you should only use one message, so kindly bear that in mind. And this will be the message that your customer asked to be notified of, so include all the instructions. And also the only option that you can use for your message is a button, so kindly remember that as well. And you can connect it to another flow like this, the shopping flow, so they can directly start with their purchase. And always make sure that your content will grab your customers' attention. So something like this, and you can include a later button as well, and save changes. Now on broadcast settings, I modified the target to OTN recipients, which is only one user at the moment, since so that I am the only audience who click the notify button. And then the message type, change it to OTN, of course, and set the topic card to the same name that we've been using, which is this one. And here on segment, you can control the number of subscribers as well as how many messages will be sent out per minute as to avoid spam. And for the scheduled message, you can either send it right away or schedule it for later. Just set the date and time here, right? And you can change the repetition here as well. So if you wish to have more in-depth knowledge of this, simply visit our broadcasting video, right? So now that the settings are complete, you may now schedule your broadcast, and I will change it to start sending now so that you can see how it will work, right? So let's see and try our broadcast message now. So click on the schedule message. Here now the messages are currently scheduled and are waiting to be sent out. So you can see it here, and this may take a little while and you would wait for it. It can also be cancelled if you suddenly wish not to send it anymore. So you simply have to click this button here. But of course we would not, since we're waiting for the message. And now you see that it moved to the sending category and is being sent out to your target audience. So you can see the status here, and you can also still stop it if you want. Now I already received the message, and this message will automatically be received by those who click on the topic that was set in the OTN message. Alright, so this is the one that we had set, and you can see that I can also directly click on the shopping button, so this will be more helpful for your customer. Alright, so that is how we make an OTN message. Make sure to utilize this option to gain more customers, and if you have other questions, simply message our AhaChat page. Thank you and see you next time.